Fire's burning low, just an ember in the dark. The woods are holding breath, not a coyote's lonesome bark. I've got my boots laced tight and my lantern by my side, in the cradle of the valley where the heavy secrets hide. The mist is climbing up like a blanket on the floor. And something scratching gently at the cabin's heavy door. Hush now, seeker, don't you make a sound. The king of the thicket is walking on this ground. Sleep with one eye open, let the forest sing your name. In the cryptid hunter's lullaby, we're all part of the game. Yeah, we're all part of the game. Branches and the prints within the clay. I've chased the silver shadow since the breaking of the day. Now the stars are looking down like 1,000 icy eyes, while the low and heavy humming starts to echo through the skies. It ain't a dream you're having, it's a truth you finally found. When the heartbeat of the mountain starts a thumping through the ground. Hush now, seeker, don't you make a sound. The king of the thicket is walking on this ground. Sleep with one eye open, let the forest sing your name. In the cryptid hunter's lullaby, we're all part of the game. Is it a breath? Is it a life or a dance with death? The fence line's thin, the night is long. You're the one who's trapped inside the song. Close your eyes, but don't you sleep. The Pineywoods are secrets it intends to keep. lullaby.